Select subtitles to study. The Great Wall of China is an ancient wall in China. The wall is made of cement, rocks, bricks, and dirt. It was finished in 1878 and it was meant to protect the north of the Empire of China from enemy attacks. It is the longest structure humans have ever built. It is about 196 kilometers long, 9.1 meters wide and 20 meters high. The earlier sections on the wall are made of compacted dirt and stone. Later in the Ming Dynasty they used bricks. There are 7,000 watchtowers, blockhouses for soldiers and beacons to send smoke signals. 19 walls have been built that were called the Great Wall of China. The first was built in the 7th century BC. The most famous wall was built between 226 and 200 BC by the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, Qin pronounced as Qin, during the Qin dynasty. Not much of this wall remains as people have been stealing from it. It was much farther north than the current wall. The current wall was built during the Ming dynasty. The first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, also called Shi Huangdi, started the Qin dynasty. The Xiongnu tribes in the north of China were his enemies. The land in some parts of China is easy to cross, so Qin Shi Huang started building the Great Wall to make it more difficult for the Xiongnu to invade China. By 212 BC, the wall went from Gansu to the coast of South Manchuria. Other dynasties in China had worked more on the wall and made it longer. The Han, Sui, Northern and Jin dynasties all repaired, rebuilt or expanded the Great Wall. During the Ming dynasty, major rebuilding work took place. Sections of the wall were built with bricks and stone instead of earth. It took more than 2,000 years for building and completion of the Great Wall. The Great Wall of China is a series of fortifications that were built across the historical northern borders of ancient Chinese states. It is the longest structure humans have ever built. It is about 21,196 kilometers long, 9.1 meters wide and 15 meters high. It is made over the course of hundreds of years. The wall was built by over 6 different Chinese dynasties, and is over 2,300 years old. The wall was built to help keep out northern invaders like the Mongols. Smaller walls had been built over the years, but the first emperor of China, Qin Shi Huang, decided that he wanted a single giant wall to protect his northern borders. The most well-known sections of the wall were built by Ming Dynasty. Genghis Khan, the founder of the Mongol Empire, was the only one who breached the Great Wall of China in its 2,700-year history. The Great Wall was designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1987. The Great Wall was declared as one of the 7 wonders of the world in 2007.